While wheat rallied for yet another day, corn and soybeans also joined in. Ag Day's Michelle Rook is back with analysis in Markets Now.
Grains continuing to rally on Wednesday. Mark Schultz is back with analysis. And Mark, let's talk about what's been pushing really the entire grain market right now. Is this a weather market or is this about money flow?
I mean, a week ago, you had Kansas City wheat, even Chicago wheat down at 5-year lows and at $5 a bushel. And I think you just ran out of people willing to sell, and you got the funds holding rather large short positions in wheat and substantial short positions in the corn. So I think you got a little bit more of a money flow and some buying interest that took place and just short covering.
But there are some global production issues that are starting to emerge in the wheat, aren't there?
There are. You have some issues. North China Plains, which has been hot and dry basically for about 30 days now. Now it's an irrigated area, but again, when you over the weekend you saw triple-digit heat in that region. Any way you cut it, that's going to probably reduce the yield potential for there.
So the good rally that we've seen in wheat, corn, even soybeans has pushed us up into resistance areas. How much higher do you think we're going to be able to go here?
I think your July corn is going to see some tough resistance up at that 470 area. That's a 2-week high. It's something that I kind of look at where you'd have to get above to start showing some better technical action on the charts. That's for the old crop corn. The new crop corn, quite frankly, looks a little bit better. That's already above the 2-week high. So it's a little bit amazing that it's being led by new crop corn right now. That's making the better push to the upside. Soybeans, it's still been pretty much the same. You could lower down to 1070, but in the big picture, 1080 on July beans is your big resistance level there. If you clear that, then you really probably got more technical action and more interest in people wanting to get long the bean market. The wheat market, it's been a pretty good move, 47 cents higher in 6-7 trading days. That's a pretty good move on up. But here too, I think you could see a market that goes up closer towards that $5.70 range, both Kansas City and Chicago wheat, before they bump into some pretty strong resistance.
Thanks so much. I'm Mark Schultz with North Star Commodity. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.